The warm weather is here for a while. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about keeping cool without multiplying your utility bill right after this.
Every home has things it needs, things that need to be maintained, fixed, or replaced. The Home Depot is here to help you get it done. You can easily find what you need on our app, order it online with the push of a button, and have it brought to your door with free delivery on over 1 million items. We have the essentials you need, the online know-how you may need to do it yourself, and low prices that make it all possible. The Home Depot, how doers get more done.
Here are a few tips to keep down your utility bills while you lower the temperature in your home this summer. First, use those ceiling fans. A fan stirs up the air around you to create a cooling effect, just like the wind chill we hear about during the wintertime. That allows you to use the air conditioner less or raise the thermostat a few degrees when you do. Also, consider replacing your old fan with an Energy Star model, which uses about 50% less electricity. Another great way to keep temperatures and utility bills low is by blocking or reducing the amount of direct sunlight that enters your home, particularly on the south and west exposures. You can do that from the inside by adding a tinting film to the windows or by closing the blinds or drapes during the daytime. On the outside, you can shade the windows with trees, awnings, or solar screens. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.